Hi students, in my next class today we are going to start quadratic equation. Today's topic is relation between roots and coefficient. In my previous class we have explained what is quadratic equation. Now we are going to start relation between roots and coefficient. Now let ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation of x. Here a, b are the coefficient of x and c is any constant, and if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, that is solution of this equation, then we can say alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and product of this is a, sum of the roots alpha plus beta. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, that is solution of this equation. Then sum of the roots is alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and product of the roots denoted by p, that is alpha beta, is c by a. Now if we know solution of the equation, we can find, if we suppose we know solution of the equation is alpha and beta, that is roots of the equation, then we can find s equals to equation equals to x square minus sx plus p. This is a, sum of the equation is alpha plus beta and product is alpha beta. So if we know roots of the equation, we can get this equation, and if we know equation, we can get root. Here alpha and beta are the roots of the equation given, then we can find the equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root. Now let's do sum number 1 here. If a and b are the roots of the equation this, and c and d are the roots of the, here two equation is given. Here question number 1, here a plus b is minus p, sum of a and b are the roots of the equation this, that is sum of the roots is minus p by 1, and a dot b, a into b is 1. So here you have to find value of this, and another one, sum of the roots c plus d is minus q and cd is 1. We have to find value of this. Prove that this equals to q square minus pq. Now left hand side, a minus c into b minus c plus a minus d into b minus d. Now multiply ab minus ac minus bc plus c square plus ab minus ad minus bd plus d square. Now put it here, c square plus d square, c square plus d square plus, this is AB, this is AB, that is 2AB plus minus AC minus BC minus AD minus BD, that is C square plus D square plus 2. Value of AB is 1, 2 into 1 minus, we can take C common, a plus b minus, we can take d common, a plus b. Here c square plus d square plus 2. 1 is value is cd. We can write instead of 1 cd minus a plus b into c plus d. That is c plus dn whole square. This is value minus a plus b into c plus d. Now c plus d value we know, c plus d is minus qn whole square minus 2, a plus b value is minus p আর c plus d এর ভ্যালু ইজ মাইনাস কিউ, দ্যাট ইজ কিউ স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 2pq. q square minus this is 2, not this is minus d square minus pq. We have to prove this q square minus pq. Got it proved. Right hand side. Okay, next sum number 2. Question number 2. P and Q are the roots of the equation. This form an equation whose roots are these. Here, sum of the roots. Question number 2. P plus Q, sum of the roots is minus 6 by 3. That is minus 6 by 3. That is minus 2. And product of the roots PQ is 2 by 3. Okay, so we got sum of the roots is this, product of the roots is this. We have to find whose roots are these. That is sum of the roots. That is S equals to minus p square by q minus plus and minus q square by p. That is take minus common, pq plus p to the power 3 by pq. That is p plus q, minus is outside, p plus q where whole cube minus 3pq, p plus q over pq. That is minus is outside, p plus q where value is minus 2, minus 2 where whole cube minus 3 into pq where value 2 by 3 into minus 2 by PQ. PQ where value is 2 by 3. That is minus 8 plus 4 by 2 by 3. That is minus plus 4 into 3 by 2. That is 6. The sum of the roots we got 6, S value. And product of the roots is this into this, minus p square by q into minus q square by p. That is pq. Pq value is 2 by 3. Now we have to form an equation. We know x square, therefore equation is x square minus sx plus p equals to 0. That is x square minus value of s is 6x. Sum of the roots s is 6. 6x plus p, here value is 2 by 3 equals to 0. That is 3x square minus 18x plus 2 equals to 0. That is the equation of the equation, that is the given equation. Therefore given equation, therefore equation of the equation whose roots are this is this. Okay, next sum number 3. Sum number 3. Here the roots of the equation these are in the ratio p is to q. Question number 3. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Roots of given equation. Here ratio between the roots of the equation as the condition alpha by beta is p by q. It is given. The roots of the equation ratio p by q. The roots I have alpha by beta is p by q. It is given. So we have to find We have to prove that this equals this. Now left hand side, root over of P by Q plus root over of Q by P equals to the whole square equals to P by Q plus Q by P plus 2 a square plus b square plus 2 this into this, that is 2 P by Q into Q by P. Yes, that is 2. That is PQ is LCM, P square plus Q square plus 2 PQ, that is P plus QA whole square by PQ. P plus QA value is P plus QA value P by Q here P by Q we can write here P by Q is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. P by Q is alpha by beta and Q by P is beta by alpha plus 2, that is alpha beta LCM, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, that is alpha plus beta whole square by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square, alpha plus beta whole square is b square by a square, and alpha beta value is c by alpha beta value is c by a. Alpha beta value is c by a. B by a, b square by a square into a by c. Alpha beta is c by a. Alpha plus beta whole square, b square by a square, alpha beta is b by a. Ax of bx plus b, this is wrong. Ax of bx plus b, that is c by b, b by a, b by a, b by a, this is b by a, that is a by b. Here alpha, it was wrong, ax square bx plus b. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha beta is b by a. This is b. The alpha beta value is b by a, that is a by b, that is b by a. Therefore, root over of p by q plus root over of q by p equals to root over of a by b. Square root value is this, therefore only this will be square root of this, that is the right hand side. Next, sum number 4. If one of the roots of the equation is square of the others. Question number 4, let one root be alpha, other will be alpha square. One root is alpha, other root is alpha square. Then alpha plus alpha square is minus b by a, and alpha into alpha square is c by a. Now we have to prove this, BQ this. So here alpha common, 1 plus alpha is minus b by a. So cubing both sides, alpha cube, 1 plus alpha cube, 3 into 1 square into alpha, 3 into 1 into alpha square equals to minus bq by aq. So alpha q plus alpha to the power 6, 3 alpha to the power 4 plus 3 alpha to the power 5 minus b cube by a cube. Alpha q এর value is c by a. Put it here. That is c by a. This is alpha q whole square. That is c by a whole square. Alpha to the power 6 means alpha q whole square. Alpha q c by a whole square plus 3 alpha square common. Alpha plus alpha square is minus b cube by a cube. Now c by a, we can write c square by a square. 3 into alpha square, alpha plus alpha square, alpha cube. This is alpha cube. 3 alpha cube এর value is c by a. Alpha plus alpha square value minus b by a. Alpha plus alpha square value minus b by a minus b cube by a cube. That is c by a plus c square by a square minus 3bc by a square equals to minus b cube by a cube. Here is a square LCM. Here is a square LCM. Then here c by a, alpha q এর value c by a. Alpha q, that is a q. Here is a square LCM. AC plus c square minus 3bc equals to minus bq. A is cancelled. That is, we can write here a square c plus ac square minus 3abc plus bq equals to 0. Now bq plus AC is common. AC is common. AC common. A plus C equals to 3ABC. BQ AC A plus C 3ABC. Proved. Now sum number 5. Sum number 5. Here alpha and beta are the roots of the equation this 7x plus 4. Sum number 5. 7x, this is plus 4. Alpha and beta roots of the equation, question number 5. Alpha plus beta is, we can write x square minus 7x minus 4 equals 0, standard form. Alpha plus beta is 7 and alpha beta is minus 4. Alpha plus beta is 7, alpha beta is minus 4. We have to, and it is given alpha square equals to 7 alpha plus 4. We have to prove this equals to this. So multiplying both sides, alpha cube equals to 7 alpha square plus 4 alpha. Multiplying alpha both sides. That is 7 alpha square value 7 alpha plus 4 alpha. Alpha square value, put it here, alpha square value is this. That is 49 alpha plus 28 plus 4 alpha. That is 53 alpha plus 28 alpha. 53 alpha. 53 alpha plus 28 root. Sum number 1. Then value of this alpha by beta. Sum number 2, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Value this is alpha beta is LCM, alpha square plus beta square, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta value is 7 square minus 2 into minus 4 by alpha beta value is minus 4, that is 49 plus 8 by minus 4, that is 57 by minus 4. That is the value of the given. Next, sum number 5. Sum number 6. Next question, last question is sum number 6. Roots of the equation this is alpha beta. If alpha minus beta is 2, find the value of alpha, beta and p. Here, question number 6. Alpha plus beta value is 2 into p by 2 by p. Alpha beta, sum of the roots, and product of the roots is alpha beta is 3p by p. Alpha beta value 3p by p, that is 3. Now, and alpha minus beta is 2 given. Now, alpha minus beta is 2, squaring both sides, that is alpha minus beta is 2. Alpha minus beta whole square equals to alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha minus beta whole square is alpha minus alpha square, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. That is alpha plus beta value, alpha minus beta value 2, it is given. And this 2 square is 4. Alpha plus beta whole square is 4 into p plus 2 by whole square by p square minus 4 into alpha value 3. That is 4 equals to 4. P square plus 4p plus 4 by p square minus 12. That is 4p square. This is coming here. 4p square plus 16p plus 16 minus 12p square equals to 4. P square cancel. That is 12p square minus 16p minus 16 equals 0. Divide 4 both sides. 3p square minus 4p minus 4 equals to 0. 3p square minus 4p minus 4. Now, second degree equation of p using Sridhar Acharya. P equals to 4 plus minus over b square means 16 minus 4 into 3 into minus 4 by 6. That equals to 4 plus minus 16 plus 48 by 6. That is 4 plus minus 8 by 6. That is 12 by 6 means 2, and minus 4 by 6 minus 2 by 3. The value of P we got 2 and minus 2 by 3. Taking positive value, 8 plus 12 by 6 is 2, and 4 minus 8 minus 4 by 6 is minus 2 by 3. That is the 2 value of P we got. Putting the value of P here we can get alpha plus beta when P is 2, when P equals to 2, alpha plus beta 2 plus 2 4, 2 into 4 by 2, that is 4, and so alpha plus beta equals to 4 and alpha beta equals to 3. So here alpha beta value is 4 minus alpha. Beta is 4 minus alpha equals to 3. then 4 alpha minus alpha square equals to 3. That is alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 3 equals to 0. That is alpha square minus 3 alpha minus alpha plus 3 equals to 0. Alpha common, alpha minus 3, 1 common, alpha minus 3 equals to 0. Now alpha equals to 1 and 3. The value of alpha is 1 and 3, and value of p is 2 and minus 2 by 3. That's all about your sums. Now please make a note of these sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.